You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion Farabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We'd better keep moving. Let's do this!
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
Huh. I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase quartz repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Maybe one of the Vollards in town knows where to find him. They're junk traders and very upbeat.
I hope they are more hospitable than the Vollards in my dimension. Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
The Glove of Doom is now available. Need I say more? Buy it while you can, sweet cheeks.
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute. But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
So, after after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. Ah!
No way to reach it.
Time to improvise. Shot's gonna get us across that chasm? It's huge!
Yes, and I am not thrilled about the name either. But we must find one at the
Junk incoming! Broken rail ahead! Better jump! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift! How about that, huh?
Very impressive. They keep coming.
Here comes a jump!
Oh dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on. It goes straight to the smelting pits.
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Piece of cake! Oh no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come! Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done!
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear. The pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot.
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea.
Shields up, ladies!
Shields? Looks like we're gonna have to get creative.
Sorry for that one. You won't get past my shield.
First mate be right! All hands get to plundering and shallow! Incoming shutterboard! I adore the way you fight! right, Rivet, but you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last he broke!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no. The cause of the fixer's brokenness is a mystery to me. I will enjoy his absence, however.
Grab anything that shines, twinkles, glimmers, and shimmers! Grab it all!
Rail shot! Let's sink this bilge rat! He won't get past my shield!
That's all of them. Let's get that hurl shot down. We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer.
Tis a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
Don't let them get a lock on you!
If Molinoth is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet?
The Lombersky scuttling our mates! Give her no quarter! Will she be fixing them the same thing as the fixer?
Nation! Je t'adore! Everything was so boring until your life! So merci for livening things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
Pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
I'm locked on, Piggy! Bombs it!
Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! Hello, everyone!
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Come here, Doctor. There be no Clank for ye to walk here. Your end lies with me. I'm gonna enjoy ending you. This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours? Huh.
It'd be a fool's quest to look.
We're wearing him down.
You're not going to scuttle me. I'll make you pay for that.
Halt my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted. Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
You know it is quality when you buy from Miss Zircon. Make sure to tell your friends now.
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but we'll see. Another pocket dimension. What do you think? Might be fun.
I can be persuaded.
Oh, that smells so... Blech. Yep, still weird.
Weird, but fascinating.
Okay, now, on to the fixer. Almost there!
You're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship. Cut him down, mateys!
The Lombax is getting too close to the fixer!
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could flank them from the sides, too.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy. It is the fools that are into fix the fixer.
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my glasses?
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
Stop them from reaching the fixer! Or our thunder will be over!
You and your adorable sassy backpack then. No chance.
Sassy backpack.
Fire it down right!
take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I be honored to blaspheme myself! Your scraggly neck will fester the air no more! Your tail will be a fine swab for our gang!
What if the phase quartz cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
Regroup with the others! We are going to attack as one and finish it!
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned off because he was broken?
Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.